I'm Brandon and this is Ryan, and here at Axiom 360 we're dedicated to providing quality customer experience and premium products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Ryan. We're here for you day in, day out till the project's done.
How many solar panels do I need?
Yeah, that's a great question, Ryan. So oftentimes what we see is that it's all based off of the number of people in your home, the size of your home, and the amount of energy that that uses. Based off of your kilowatt hours is how we size the system. We'll look at your electrical bill, input it into our system, and come up with a calculated system size that's going to best suit your needs for your home throughout the year.